Keno tip of the day. Take AI Keno numbers and mix them with your lucky Keno numbers. Subscribe and win at Keno. Try this first set of free AI Keno numbers and start winning at Keno. Okay, let's take a look at this first set of winning AI Keno numbers. Okay, the max bet is 10 and the coin is 10. 4 out of 7, good place to start. The AI barred Keno numbers are 17 and 48. The other 5 are my lucky doghouse numbers. Cool. 3 out of 7, we'll take it. Another 3 out of 7, yes. Last play coming up. Yeah. Another 4 out of 7. 160 credits for the bonus round. And of course, a 3 out of 7 got us into the bonus round for a total of 170 credits. Yes, a good way to start, but we need to do better. Let's go on to the next set of lucky AI Keno numbers. Okay. The AI Keno numbers are 50, 60, 70, and 80. The others are my lucky Keno numbers. Okay, have you tried AI Keno numbers yet? What are you waiting for? Subscribe for free winning AI Keno numbers and strategies. Join the YouTube AI Keno community and start winning. All right, let's check out this next bonus round. Okay, max bet at 10, and the coin is 10 cents. Yes, be sure and write these free AI Keno numbers down and tell us how they work out for you. Wow, 6 plays to go. This is really a slow start. Come on, Cleo, let's go. Wow. That's unusual. Last play. 7 out of 10. Wow, that's cool. Let's listen to the music. You gotta love it. Oh, 700 credits for the bonus round. Yes. 5 out of 10 got us into the bonus for 730 credits total. It was a little scary, but the results were just fine. Let's move on and try a new set of AI Keno numbers. You have got to watch this 8 spot. We are using suggested AI Keno numbers 9, 10, 20, and 29, mixed with my lucky Keno numbers 8, 18, 28, and 30. Subscribe and join the YouTube AI Keno community. Okay, let's see how we do with these Keno numbers. Okay, the bet is 10 and the coin is 5. Also, don't forget to write these Keno numbers down. There you go. 5 out of 8, 200. Yeah, let's get more of those. 6 plays to go. Cool. Yes. 4 out of 8, we'll take it. Last play coming up. 260 for the bonus round. Wait for it. Wait for it. Cool. Yeah, absolutely cool. 6 out of 8 for 650 credits for a total bonus round of 910 credits. Yes, AI Keno numbers do work. Subscribe and claim these Keno numbers yours and start winning big at Keno. Beginners. AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. Please, you need to watch another video. And thanks for watching this video. See you next week.